camshaft, heads.
Oh my god.
AC, leather interior.
You're killing me, man. You're killing me.
Yeah, this car is
Hey,
perfect.
I'm a sucker for red.
Me too.
Oh my god.
So it's supercharged, right?
Yeah, this car here, you drive this car to Timbuktu and back all day long, every day. Never an issue, never a problem.
Wow.
That looks really nice. Really, really nice.
Supercharged.
This car never seen rain before I owned it.
Hey guys, welcome back to Paul the Fox. Today's video is part 2 of Frankie's huge Foxbody collection. If you haven't seen part 1, I'll link it up here for you guys. You're going to want to take a look at that one. There was a ton of beautiful Foxes. But basically in a nutshell, on part 1, when I started recording, I didn't realize that Frankie had 4 buildings in the vicinity. So in that video, I covered the first 2 buildings. In part 2, I cover buildings 3 and 4, which also has a ton of Foxbody content, and also a mixture of some personal cars that he also owns. He's got an amazing collection. You're gonna wanna see it. Let's have a look at it.
So this is your third shop.
Well, this is the
original one.
This is our original shop.
This is the original shop.
Now, how big is this one?
This is 12,000 square feet as well.
This is 12,000. Wow.
I see a white 4i convertible.
Is this yours too?
Wow.
Hold on.
Look at this, beautiful though.
Look at this thing.
That.
I love
Is that porno red?
It is.
Let me see.
I like the red with the white.
But these are cool. These are 83 GT seats, which are kind of rare.
Yeah.
But they're really cool. I like them. They match. They kind of match the texture, the pattern on the door panels and the back seats. So
I like it.
I do like them.
This is amazing.
Yeah. And you know what I like about this car? It drives really well. It doesn't have the best of paint jobs on it.
It's okay.
But
It's because you did.
But they don't like AC. Exactly. They don't like AC stuff. Like it's clean. It's not, it's not a show car.
So
but it's very
87, 88? Because I'm seeing no
clean. Yes,
mass there.
87, I believe.
87? That's great.
Sounds nice. Still has a 373 gear.
Hey, you can't beat those turn
Not
down.
indeed, but that's my favorite.
The
Eh?
flow master
That
with the turn down?
sounds
My
so.
favorite.
That
My
sounds
favorite.
so nice. I love the way she sounds. Okay, that car's really cute. Look at that.
More chunks over there. Okay, we'll get back to the vet.
I
Don't
got
worry
you.
about the vet. Nice 4i.
That's a nice 4i. And there's another one in there.
Uh-huh. Go see it.
Well, you have to appreciate how
I know. I do.
it's.
This is a really nice car. It's a nice car. You know what? It's got, how many kilometers on this thing? 2 5-kilometer car.
Yeah.
Good driving car. Solid. It's got a couple of patches on the floor that were done. We never redid. Full purple interior. Nice.
It's a nice 4i.
It's a good driver,
Top works good.
Yeah, everything works in this car. My brother-in-law is not a car guy,
Yeah.
but he wanted a convertible last year, so I had this car. So I kind of made it
I like that it's 86. The fuel injection. Not that there's anything wrong with the car, but
Look how shiny.
it's a great.
Wow. That is beautiful.
Who's the sprayer?
This one here was Bogdan. We have 3 guys that spray.
They do an amazing
Wow.
job.
Yeah.
Look
So
at that.
we do solid colors a little bit different than most. We paint them in single stage first, and then we block the single stage to flat, and then we put clear on top of that. So it gives it that depth.
That depth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Nice. Boy, I love it. Love it.
There's a die cast that's a pretty popular die cast called the Dark Horse,
Right.
and it's an 86 GT, 86 coupe
Right.
with Pro Stars. So we're building an 86 coupe with Pro Stars. So black anyway, right?
Right.
Because this was painted in single stage black,
Right.
sanded flat smooth, and then cleared over top. So it gives you that depthness, and in my opinion, it's perfection.
It's beautiful.
Awesome.
But the thing with a paint job like this, you need to realize that it's two paint jobs.
Mm-hmm.
Right? You know what I mean? Like, you paint the car black complete. Like, if you would have seen this car 2 weeks ago,
Yeah.
you would have said, this car's finished. But this is finished to me now.
Wow. It's nice.
Right?
So you let it sit for 4 or 5 days, then you reassemble?
Just for manhandling, because it's black and you got to be
Yeah.
a little bit more delicate, and you know what I mean? So we're just trying to,
Wow.
just to make it easier to reassemble. Just so
Yeah.
you're not so careful. Like, we want it to be cured 100%. Right? Like I said, we did it before it was cool. Pastel color, right?
Yeah. Same.
Yeah, same color as 83.
Wow.
This is Frankie's as well.
That's really nice.
That's my first car.
This.
The
When I was
Stingray?
16 years old.
Wow.
I love that you still have it.
It's like almost like a mystique over here.
It is a mistake.
It is, eh?
What?
My dad got it installed, the color came up and we wanted it.
Oh.
We fought over that. I wanted to paint it white. He wanted to paint it this color because it was new and cool and trendy. And
That-
obviously he was my dad, so he won.
It is beautiful.
And he drove the car around the block. And the car's been sitting for 30 plus years.
30 years. This
Wow.
More than 30, yeah, more than 30 years.
30 years right here?
No, well, this used to be our shop,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
Now it's just where I keep my junk.
That is so nice.
Not junk, bro. This is not junk.
Wow, this
So
is.
this car here, a lot of history here.
Let me see.
This car here, 1948 Dodge.
Yeah.
My dad, was a mechanic and had his shop. And when my parents got married, my dad put a quick paint job on this car, and my uncle drove my mom to the church
Oh.
in this car for their wedding. Then when my aunt and uncle got married, my aunt and uncle used this car to drive my aunt to the church.
Oh my God.
Then all my other aunts on my mom's side started to use this car. So since my whole life, all me, my sister, my cousins, all of our family members, the brides, have been driven to church in this car.
Oh my God,
So this car is
I have
something old,
goosebumps.
something borrowed, and something blue.
Oh my God.
That's a lot of history.
Yeah.
I love that story. That's awesome.
And Sam and I always talk about putting a lane model drivetrain in it, you know what I mean? From a
Yeah.
1957 Studebaker,
Yeah.
289 Ford, supercharged from the factory.
Wow.
This car just came from Russia.
Wow.
It's one of my 7 ups.
He's got a 7
Where's the
Up
7
edition,
Up?
Foxbody.
Oh wow, that's cool.
So how many 7 Ups do you have?
Two. I only have 2 7 ups.
Only 2. Only 2 7 Ups. Only 2 7 Ups.
This is a
16
68.
this,
Yeah.
17 that, 20.
68 Buick Skylark. That's what I did my driver's test in.
So how many cars would you say?
I lost
overall?
count.
Honestly?
Honestly. I don't-
150 plus.
50, yeah.
50,
Not 100, but more than 50 for sure. I guess. I don't know.
It's amazing.
And I like this little white car.
Yeah, I know. Sally's like, I love this.
Picalino.
It's so flipping cute. I love it. It's like something you would drive when you're in Europe.
Oh my god, you wouldn't have issue parking that sucker.
I could probably pick it up.
Yeah, probably deadlift.
Yeah. And then that's true. Sam. This is a Skylark. Those are true. Sam. That's his Sonoma pickup truck.
It's amazing, man.
And then he's got a Blazer there as well.
I'm coming around. I want to see.
This is yours as well, or customer?
Yes, it's mine as well.
Wow.
You guys not asking for that.
Honestly, we have to bring back Marcus. How about the vet?
That's my bet. To be honest, this is, I don't want to say my favorite car, but this is such a fun car to drive.
I like the ass on the vet, personally.
I love it.
You have like parts red all over your
Yeah.
shop. Is that 06?
Yeah.
So this one is for
Low
sale?
mileage, Z06, C5 Z06, highly desired Corvette.
This is
And
one.
this one's supercharged camshaft heads.
Yeah.
No, headwork. Right valves, right? Good valves.
Wow, look at this size of her.
Fourth building for the day we're visiting. This is another 7-Up car that he's doing full rotisserie.
Oh, wow. So a full rotisserie.
So it's been dipped, full rotisserie, and you'll see the spider cross braces.
So this is 7-Up?
Yeah. This is Frankie's as well, 87. Mint 87, it just keeps getting pushed aside.
Isn't that Rob's car?
I like that.
I love his
I like
plate.
his plate. Even more Fox bodies. Never ends, man. The Fox bodies. Oh my god. Fox bodies. More Fox bodies. Ow. Amazing. Never-ending Fox bodies. There we go. This is kind of yeah, just a Cobra intake. No big deal. Okay, guys, I just want to say thank you to Frankie, Sam. Beautiful tour. 4 buildings that we went through. And this is never seen anything like it. So I'm overwhelmed. I got lots to think about it. And,
I'm overwhelmed too.
yeah, I really appreciate the time,
Thank you.
Frankie. Thank you. Thanks, Sam. We really appreciate it. We got to bring our son back to do another
Yes.
visit tour like this. So,
You're always welcome.
man, this is the
This
place
was
to be.
awesome.
Mention your shop name.
CARSTAR Brampton. We're in Brampton. We take care of your cars, anything from minor collision to general repair to full-blown restoration. If there's anything you need, let me know. Be more than happy to help you out.
That's awesome.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Thank
guys.
you.
Hey guys, welcome back to Paul the Fox. Hey guys, welcome back to Paul the Fox. Today's video is. Hey guys, welcome back to Paul the Fox. Today's video is part 2 of Frankie's.